LabelJoy allows you to export your projects to common graphic formats, such as PDF, PNG, and JPEG, as well as to LabelJoy Reader, for high-quality and uncompressed exports. Open a new or an existing project. For this tutorial, we choose to export a project designed for a roll printer, linked to an Excel data source. Click on File, Export Pages, and select the page range, All, Current Page, or a specific page number or range. Now choose the export format, among PDF, PNG, JPEG, bitmap, GIF, and TIFF, apart from LabelJoy Reader. When choosing PDF, you can export as a single document or split into multiple documents. Since the first release of 2024, the file name can be defined by selecting a field from the data source. This option is only active when LabelJoy detects that automatic naming is possible. The boxes, Open File, and Open Target folder after export, will open the exported file in a new Explorer window. Click Save, and select the destination folder to proceed with the export. If no data source is present, you'll have to manually assign a name to the exported file. To export labels, select File, Export Labels. The left pane displays a list of all label sets found in the current job. The right pane displays a preview of the label to be exported. Select Export Format and Export Quality. The higher the selected dot per inch value, the bigger the size of the resulting images and the required processing time. File naming. If a data source is present, you can select a field from the data source to define the name of each file that is generated during the export. If no data source is present, you'll have to manually assign a name to the exported file. Click Save to proceed with the export. If you would like to export only barcodes, click on Export Barcodes. The right pane displays a preview of the barcode that will be exported. The left pane shows a list of all barcodes found in the current job. The next steps, as before, are defining export format and quality. If a data source is connected, you can select a field to define the name of each file that will be generated during export. If the boxes Open File after export and Open Target folder after export were checked, the software now opens the exported files and a new Explorer window. If a data source is found, the export of labels or barcodes will automatically generate a Microsoft Access file that contains the data source, and an additional field that contains the path and the file name of each generated image file.